What's going on, guys? Marc Guberti here. In this video, we're going to talk about if you should write on medium.com for some extra cash. I have gone through a few videos. I have tried this out myself, and I'm going to provide you with a comprehensive answer so you can decide for yourself if medium.com is a great place for you to create some additional content. Now, if you guys are looking for ways to build out your platform, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell because we create content on this channel that helps you do just that. So Medium is actually a place that pays better than YouTube in terms of what you get for 1,000 views. Medium is at around $10 per 1,000 views, just based on some of my data. YouTube, it depends more on the niche, but you usually don't see $10 per 1,000 views. So there is certainly some earning potential with Medium, but should you publish on Medium when you can just publish on your blog instead? And there are some people who they say that publishing on Medium has actually hurt them because people just say, oh, I read the article on Medium, and you could see people browse through Medium articles and just stay on Medium rather than going on your places versus creating your own blog, having the SEO, and being able to reap those rewards. So there's definitely a few different angles to look at. First, we'll look at the actual income. There are some people who actually do make thousands of dollars each month on Medium. This is definitely the exception, not the rule. That doesn't mean you can't be one of those people. So one of the things that a lot of Medium writers do to make that type of money is they write very often. Some of these people write a new post on Medium, like a blog post, every single day. And if you're able to fit in just 1,000 words somewhere, 30 minutes, that could very well be your Medium post. And one of the things that I'm a big believer in is you never want to do things independently from a business standpoint. You don't want to have a bunch of separate entities that don't connect with each other. So if you do want to get on Medium, make sure you are leading people to your other platforms. I'm frequently leading people to this YouTube channel from Medium. I'm frequently leading people to my email list. And a lot of people, they'll just stay on Medium, but some people will actually go to the YouTube channel. Some people will actually go to my blog and subscribe and do all those things. So you do get some people who go from Medium to learning more about your whole brand. Now, another thing to note about Medium is that you can just very easily take your existing blog posts and publish them on Medium. There's one blogger who's made thousands of dollars on Medium just by copying and pasting their blog posts and putting them on Medium. So if you have a ton of content already, you could just as easily repurpose it on Medium. They even give you the canonical link. I'm not an SEO buff when it comes to that deep stuff. I learned about that recently, but pretty much what that link says is you put it into Medium. They set this up for you in the advanced settings where you could put the link, and you put that link to the blog post. It pretty much just tells Google that, hey, you may see this Medium post gaining traction, but remember, this is like the original article, and give this one extra juice. So not only will Medium get a lot of SEO traffic, but it will also tell Google this post from your blog is the one they should be giving most of the credit for. So you could also boost your own ranking in the Google algorithm with this strategy. So if you are a blogger who already has a ton of blog posts, just copy and paste them, do the repurposing. And then if you have that much content already, it then gets easier, where if you were going to do a daily Medium post, why not do a daily blog post and then just publish the same exact thing on Medium 2 weeks later to earn the additional income? And while you could say, why would I take this blog post, publish it on Medium, and promote it again? You could get a lot of the traffic from Medium itself. That's the great thing about a platform like Medium. Sure, people may stay on Medium. Only a few of them may go to your YouTube channel, join your email list. But Medium can bring in thousands of people who you previously had no access to, especially if you are able to get your stories into publications, which can easily put you in front of thousands of extra people, depending on the publications that your article gets featured on. So Medium to me, I view it like a YouTube or an Instagram. I'm publishing the content. I know that there's an algorithm in the works to reward the best content. And not everyone here may buy one of my books or join my email list, but you are consuming my content and you may come back for another video time and time again. And that's going to help get me in front of more people. So if you view Medium like an algorithm rather than a way to earn extra cash, you do end up earning extra cash, but you are doing it in a way that consciously grows your brand. That's why I mentioned about the independent entity before. If you've got so many different things, connect them all together. It's like how I got the Instagram up on my YouTube and then how I use Instagram to promote YouTube. Connect all these different things together, and then that's how you're able to grow your brand with something like Medium instead of it being just exclusively this side hustle thing that doesn't count for your business but just brings in the extra cash. And if you are an author, you can just as easily take the Medium post and eventually repurpose them into a book. Now, you can make thousands of dollars on Medium each month and have that be your income. It's just that it doesn't happen to everyone. And even if it does happen to you, having that structure in place where you are able to crank out extra books because of that Medium content, where you're able to get more blog traffic or able to direct it to your email list and your YouTube, that's how you go from, even if you are one of those people who makes a few $1,000s a month from Medium, that's how you turn it into 10 grand a month and beyond. So think about how you can connect all this with your platform. That's how you will be able to use Medium to earn that extra cash and meaningfully grow. And if you guys want more videos about growing your platform, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.